Yes, it's a printed version. Yes, so there's one nifty mistake. The printer worked after a while. Oh, Mr. Waterfall was at a trap, Austria, and medium. At least if, who knows, it was a medium I purchased. That's about today. Let's hear about the neurologist. That's an old shame. That was similar also my complaint direction New York Police Department after the 6 of 6 uh, 25 in New York. Insufficient diagnostics, at least in Florida. Yes. I said, oh, maybe you could make an SEP, but that was not a result of an attack. I was just walking, yes. And after a while, I could not walk anymore, my legs and so on. Yeah. And he said, "Oh, that's a good idea." He knew someone from New York, even a brother or sister, whatever. A lot of people from New York sent after me, by the way, too. Not only on the bus from New York to Florida. It was Orlando. The emergencies there were not asked for an emergency. My experiences with emergencies. Yes. An emergency can be a deadly place for me. That's a unique experience. Oh, that's about the SST. That's me. How old is it? Is it a world record? Yes. Interesting facts. Cloning a drive, and you need the double size. Not the image. So compression makes no effect. But that's just one of the miracles and wonders. How about physics? How about background noise removal? How about Audi 80? How about Neuruppin, Oranienburg? Lars Christian Helmers, Mrs. Hennig. There's now a new, whatever, daughter, maybe, from the murdered Camillo. But who proved that how and why and when? Question after question, and never any answer. No letter from that.